Okay, I have set up several bird deterrents since having birds nest right where I have to come out the door and put up laundry is not a good plan for anybody. I don't need birds trying to attack me thinking I'm going to eat their babies or accidentally flying into the house as I open up the door and scaring the poor little things. Yeah, not good for anybody. So, yeah, they don't like shiny things. They don't like movement. So we've got the rainbow oval spinny thing, which also has little faceted beads on it. And a little extra movement and a little extra shininess with the old pinwheel. Ooh, spinny, shiny. Right underneath where they like to nest, especially. And I've put a piece of pool noodle or panoodle, actually physically blocking the spot. And then I have an old pinwheel that I put up with wire and string. And forgive the dead tree in the background, please. Which, when the wind blows, goes absolutely bonkers. This is nothing. It really gets going. Ooh, there we go. Like on cue. There we go. Spinning and looping and doing its thing. Yay. Really ought to put a nice one up because that's attractive. It's pretty. Right? Anywho, so there's that. And then just now I went, ooh, let me do this. You are getting sleepy. You will not build nests here. Yeah, little old DVD that doesn't work properly. It's from the bunch that I got. Got over 100 DVDs for $5, and some of them work. Some of them work. And some of them are just utter garbage, but upcycling, so not complete garbage. Let's say that. Anywho, so yeah. Anyway, that's where we're at right now, and there's one more. There we are. Pinwheel in the garlic patch. The long things are garlic, and there should be a lot more, but maybe they just haven't come up yet because they were freshly planted, whereas these, I believe, are the ones that were planted in season last year rather than the end of the season. And yeah, those green table things, bench leg thing, I don't know what they were originally. I got them free for nothing. I don't actually remember where I got those. Weird. Okay. That's where I want to put the solar heater, but I think I'm going to come up with a new plan, but that was convenient, but I actually didn't get the chance to make the heater yet. So we'll see. I might get a nice big board to put on top of that and make that into something rather than just holding up the solar heater. So yes, a lot of work needs to be done. A lot of work. Over there, under the tree, around the tree, where there's already the peony planted, and I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong, astilbe, the lavender astilbe that I got because my niece, at least at the time, my older niece, liked that color, the purple and lavendery kind of colors. So I got that essentially for her. And she hasn't seen it yet except in pictures, but hopefully that'll change soon. But anyway, the hyacinths are going to get put over there, which is outside of where Mom's room used to be, so which is kind of perfect. Her room's at the corner there, that last window. because she's the one that put the hyacinths in the city when we lived there for the bicentennial. Tried to get red, white, and blue, but pink, white, and purple were really all that was available. But yeah, it was a cute idea. It was lovely. So couldn't get them from the city. So luckily, after Easter sale, I got some nice ones. Which yeah, I guess I can show it. All right, I'm not gonna show the inside the whole house. We're gonna fade to black for a minute. We're gonna fade. Here we go. Hold on. Ah! Okay, so I tripped. Hold on. It's very messy. I think I should probably turn the light on. Alright, here we are. Alright, I'm going to turn the light on in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's blurry. Come on, there we go. Alright, I did send pictures out. I'm wondering if this will be easier to... If the color will be more true. Here's the pink stripey. I guess it's not really stripey so much as it's that the petals are thicker in the middle. And those are fading already, so they're darker than they were. So, but a variety of like purples, pinks, reddish. Anyway, there we go. And the chair I hate. It's so annoying. Anywho, yeah, I've got the gourd pieces drying on the floor. We'll see if that works out. That's a whole other thing. All right, I guess we're done. And happy spring.